does not make him grow.
Oh, Mr. Tom? Okay, do let him in then. Immediately. Hello. Good morning.
Good morning.
Please do have a seat.
Thank you. How are you?
Very well, thank you. Your wife? I heard your mom is in the country. How is she too?
Everyone is fine. Thank you.
So, how may I help you today?
Oh, yes. Yes, my wife and I have, we have decided to get a divorce.
What?
Yeah.
Wait. What in God's name is wrong with marriages these days?
So I'm here to ask you to start the divorce proceedings as soon as possible.
Wait a minute, Mr. Tom. I don't get you at all. Are you saying there is nothing that can be done to resolve this? Like I would like to see you and your wife together.
Oh, I don't think that will be necessary because our minds are made up. So you just need to get the divorce papers ready and let us know.
Okay then.
So how soon is your soon?
Very soon. Since you said your minds are made up already.
Oh yes, I will. Of course our minds are made up. So when exactly is your soon? Or how soon is your soon?
As soon as possible.
Alright, so I believe we're done with this session. Thank you.
A man's age does not make him grow, but how he handles things, how he handles things. A man must be defined by his priorities, not by his desires.
Nick, I am beginning to lose faith in my marriage.
Come on, don't say a thing like that. Come on, stop it.
I'm dead serious. I'm very serious, Nick. I'm being serious.
So let me tell you one thing you don't know. You are blessed with a good wife.
Who?
Your wife. You are
Me.
blessed. You don't know it.
Me?
Yes.
Blessed with a good man.
Yes.
That means you don't know my wife. Forget about social life. When you come close, my guy, you go pick race. Oh, sorry, I'm being blessed in marriage.
Can I teach you my philosophy about marriage?
Okay, go on.
I believe that for a marriage to work or fail, it's a complete making of the man, the husband, the head of the family.
How do you mean?
You see, every woman has a good side and her bad side. Even the worst of them all still has that good side of her. It is garbage out. What you give to her is exactly what she gives back to you.
Even when she's callous and wild. Don't tell me that, Nick. My wife is so mean.
If you can ignore those bad side of her and love her as though you didn't notice the bad side of her, you win her. Love changes anything. Can I tell you the story my father told me about marriage?
Okay.
Make sure my hair is very beautiful.
Madam, calm down. Let me do this for you.
Okay, oh, sorry, ma. Okay. Oh,
No. Your husband, you're welcome.
Choma, how are you?
Fine, sir.
You are plaiting her hair.
Yes, sir. So she can look more brightening.
That's very good of you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome, sir.
The problem has landed.
What is this?
Yes, let you soon here. Calm down, relax.
Okay.
What did I tell you? Did you hear that?
Yes, what did you do?
Choma, you have to start going. Please.
But I'm not done with the hair now.
Choma, please. You have to start going. I will talk to you later.
When
Yes!
you start going.
Please, I will talk to you later, okay?
Okay, when you're ready, you come.
Bye.
You heard my voice and you don't want to answer.
I answered you.
Because you know why I'm calling you. Look at my house. Look at the house of a married woman. Chibuku, are you a wife or a pig? Is this not the plate that your children ate with this morning? How many times have I warned you against keeping my house like a madman's house? How many times? You pig!
I am not a pig. It's just that when Choma came to make my hair, I forgot to arrange the house.
Shut up! Shut up! You're always giving silly excuses. Look at my house. Look at. How can a man spend his money to buy a pig to live with him? The pig is even better than you. Now, before I descend on you, make sure you clear all this thing now. Come on, clear this place.
Is it because of these little things that you're calling me names? Eh? It is your sisters and your aunties, in short, all your generations that are pigs.
Stand here to banter work with me. Are you? Papa.
Papa, I'm sorry. Sorry, Papa. Sorry, Papa.
Continue running. You come back and meet me in this house.
You almost got me down, bro. But why are you people disturbing the peace of this neighborhood? You are not the only married man here now.
Papa, is it not that evil of a woman that I married? I am regretting ever meeting her in my life. I am regretting everything.
But the fault is not from this woman. The fault is from you.
Papa, how do you mean?
Okay, let me now ask you. All this while that you are beating her, abusing her in the whole of this public, has she changed? You don't change a woman by hitting her or by abusing her. You change her with love. Love.
How do you mean, Papa?
I will tell you what to do the next time you come back and you find your house in a mess like this.
Papa, I'm listening.
I will tell you.
My husband, you're back.
Chichi, yes, I'm back. What were you doing?
I was resting inside. I did not know when I slept off. I'm sorry.
You must be tired. You can go back in and start.
No, I'm okay now. I'm awake. Just drop everything. I will take care of it, okay? Don't worry. Just
Chichi, I'm already doing that.
Don't worry, I will take care of it. I hope you are not angry with me the way you...
I can't be angry with you. Come. Weak men get angry with their wives, but strong men don't. I was weak, but I am strong now. I can't be angry with the love of my life, the mother of my kids. Not anymore. I'm no longer angry with you.
If you say so, thank you.
It's okay. Okay, pick up this.
Choma, you won't believe this. God has really changed my husband completely. Eh? Yes, so he no longer talks to me anyhow. He does not beat me anymore. Now call me sweet names. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm really happy.
Thank God though, all the fighting and shouting are no more. Your children will grow up no stigma.
Not anymore. Eh? Not now that God has restored peace in my home. They will now grow up with love.
I'm happy for you.
Yes. Please, check your time. What's the time now?
It's after 3.
Hey, please, I need to go inside and arrange my house. I don't want my husband to come and meet the house like that. No, now that God has restored peace in my home, I don't want to be the one that will scatter the home again. Okay, I'll talk to you tomorrow, okay? Alright, take care. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.
And it has really helped me a lot. I learned this from my father. You see, love is the greatest force on earth. The making of a marriage, the success of a marriage lies 100% on the shoulders of a man. When you know this, you will know peace. I learned this from my father, and it has really helped me a lot. There is no how you respond to a woman with love that she will not change. You don't change a woman by force. You change a woman with love. Love is the greatest force on the earth. The success and the failure of a marriage lies 100% on the shoulders of a man. When you know this,
a man's age does not make him grow, but how he handles things, how he handles things. A man must be defined.
So anybody else want to come on my live? Thank you. Thank you so much. Best, thank you. Yes, thank you. I'm excited that you're all here. Oh, he's back. Hello, son.
Hi, Mom.
Hey, darling. You look tired. Come.
No, work was hectic.
How did it go at work today?
Well, it was work, hence the tiredness.
And how's the divorce thing coming on?
I went by Sonia's and she said that she would give her some weeks and she'll be done.
Some weeks? She can't tell us when exactly?
No, she said because of the papers that she needed to file some papers at the court. Yeah.
While we wait for the divorce papers to be ready,
yeah,
your new bride will be joining us. I spoke to her parents. Coincidentally, she's in the country, so they've allowed her to come and spend some days with us so you guys get to know each other and get to bond.
Oh, okay. I don't know exactly
you
how
should be excited. You need to see this girl. She Mwamaka. Hey! Oh, Malo. You know now, I know what's good for you.
Of course,
yeah?
Mom, of course.
Okay, go in and settle in. I'll come get us something to eat, okay?
Alright, Mom.
Welcome.
If it's fine by you, it is fine by me.
It is fine by me. Yes, it is fine. That's my son. Welcome home.
Thank you, Mom.
Okay, so yes, you were saying. Hi guys.
For you.
Oh, hey, Angel.
Welcome.
Thank you. You're back.
Yes, Daddy came to pick me up from the meeting break.
Oh yeah, he did. Oh,
Yes.
wow, that's so nice of him, Angel. Angel, Mommy is sorry she couldn't come to pick you up because Mommy is choked up with work. Like, I'm very tired. I need to just rest. Okay?
Mommy, you didn't buy anything for me.
Oh yes. I'm sorry, baby. Mommy's tired, like I said. Don't worry, I'll just rest a little bit and then freshen up, go out, I buy you whatever food you want, and I'll buy you ice cream, your favorite.
Yay! I'll eat ice cream today.
You want ice cream, right? That's my baby girl. That's my baby girl. Welcome. So where is Daddy?
He's in the kitchen.
Kitchen?
Yes.
Okay, I'll be right back, Angel. Continue with my watch.
Sorry. Honey, you're back. How was work today? I know you must be very tired by now. Why don't you go up, have your shower while I prepare your dinner? I know you can't wait to eat my food. Just go in, have your shower, then relax. Your husband is in the kitchen.
Babe, you know, I didn't know I married the best cook in the whole wide world. Like, how lucky can I be? My God. Babe.
You can say that again.
You can cook. Oh my God. Babe. Babe, I've been wondering. I think something is not right. You know, you've changed. You no longer shout at me. Even when I do things that I know that provoke you. You just ignore me. What's going on? Are you planning to leave me?
Planning to leave you? Never. I will never plan such evil.
What's happening then?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Yeah, nothing. Just that I realized that weak men get angry with their wives, but strong men don't. I used to be weak, but now I'm strong. That was what happened.
I just love you. Oh my God.
I love you more, babe. It's okay. It's fine. So, what would you like to eat tomorrow?
Joy! What's her pet name? Mommy! Ọmalịcha nwanyị! Ọmalịcha! Nwa mommy! Nwunye ogologo mma agha! Baby, did you call me? I did not just call you. I've been calling you since now. Hey. Look sharp. Of course. Hey. Look at your favorite cartoon.
Sweetheart.
The mama. The mama. Angel Kumi. Away. My love. Away. My king. Hey, Ozuma. My hero. Hey. Odimnobi. Okay, Jabamba. Away. Hey, yeah. Hey. What's a Bible? Hey, what's a Bible? One kisses. Hey, yeah. Hey, Abanaga, you go. Hey, Oga de Pokish. Hey, if I get men na Obudunda Musu, on your boss, Mpia. But when did let's go inside. Back from here. Eba, yes. Here, Gimwem. When you wem. When you wem, I come quad on Mban. Came from here. Now, come quad on Anaquad. Mban. Gently get Bunu Zigis, I come quad on Kinde. One game. What's a pie? In cases. My love. I thought we've had 2 rounds already. I'm tired. Let me rest.
I want more. I'm not satisfied.
You want more? So you like this thing? And you keep pretending as if I'm the only one that likes it?
I was not pretending. You were being a rough rider. You were always trying to rape me. In fact, you were raping me. You're not romantic. Don't you know that if you touch a woman, you cuddle her, and then she get wet for you, and then she'll be honey, and then she give it to you the way you want it. Anyhow, so I want more.
You know, we keep learning every day. So you want more?
Yes, baby. I want more.
You want more? One second, what's up with pipe?
As plumber.
Who eat them now, pala?
How long will that take?
Hell no. I would love to put on a red dress, something really cozy, you know. Okay, so what time are you picking me up?
Oh, my little umba, bekee bo. Opulo akalesia de na wani. Oh, gini bekee.
Good to my God, you look amazing. Thank you.
Turn around, 12 for mommy. Get it there, baby.
You too, mommy.
Imakandem. Oh, Guinea. Meet my son, your husband. Meet Fanta. Oh, the Waka Fanta. I get it.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi,
Thomas, right?
Just call me Tom. I have met your brothers and your parents a couple of times.
Oh,
Yes.
I equally met your parents and your younger sister.
Oh, that's a pleasure.
Good to see you.
Good to see you.
Oh!
You know what? Let's go in and have lunch. Lunch is ready. Come, my darling.
Yeah? My box.
They're already inside.
All right.
So you pick me up at 5, yeah?
Uh-huh.
Yes.
Of course I will be. I'm actually trying not to wear something sexy, you know. A red dress will be fine, because I like. You're very naughty. I hope you know that. 5 o'clock.
So you're welcome. So this is my bedroom, and you've seen the rest of the house. What do you think?
I can manage.
Okay. All right. So why don't you use the bathroom, freshen up, and then come downstairs? Okay. Now, this is the bathroom.
Okay. See ya. Do I really like this place? It's too small.
Oh, does she like your bedroom?
Does she have a choice? Mom, did you notice her, Margaret?
I didn't notice anybody.
Mom, she was just there making an unending call with God knows who, and she was laughing like a...
How is that your business?
No, well, as my wife in my house, she's...
Your ex-wife. Thomas. Ex-wife.
Yeah, but we haven't signed the divorce papers.
It doesn't make any difference to me. As far as I'm concerned, you're divorced. And it will stay that way. Can you go upstairs and take care of your guests?
Yeah, Mom, let me just check something outside.
Thomas.
No?
You have a guest.
Yeah, I know, Mom. I just want to...
Go in and take care of your guest.
Mom, but it's just...
Thomas.
Yes, Mom.
Upstairs.
Yes, Mom, but I just wanted to tell... Fine.
What is this rubbish? Maybe we should send her packing completely. She's too much distraction.
What is the problem?
I don't like the bathroom. It's not spacious.
All right. Why don't you just manage it for now? Just take your shower. We're actually downstairs waiting for you.
You know where I'm coming from. It's too small. It's just a tiny
fine.
space, more like a cubicle.
It's fine. Just manage it for now, okay? You're not supposed to spoil your face with that gloomy look on it. You manage it, yeah?
I'll try.
Good. See, I am here, you are here, and you've seen all that there is to see of my house. What do you think?
Not as big as I had thought, but I can manage.
Don't worry about that. I promised to get us a new house before our wedding.
Oh,
I think it's a house.
that's a good idea. You know what? The truth is, I'd always admired your family. I'd always wanted to be a part of your family. And I'd always admired you from a distance, even though we hadn't met. I see your pictures and my dad talks about you all the time, and as well as my brothers, they speak highly of you. And then it got me thinking, who is this guy? Who is this guy? I think he's my kind of man. He's the kind of man I would really want to spend the rest of my life with. And boom, here I am. Ta-da-da. I love successful men. Yes, I do.
You know, life is so mysterious sometimes, and it can be mysteriously good.
I know, right?
All those while, and here you are, not just in my house, but in my bedroom as my future wife.
No! Your wife. Please skip the future.
All right, let's
and cheers to
that. So I was just thinking, why don't you just go to the kitchen? Is there a problem?
Kitchen.
Oh yeah, I was just thinking maybe we could just go to the kitchen and ruffle up something for
No.
dinner.
I've never cooked in my life. Oh yes, that's the truth. In my father's mansion, we have about 4 chefs.
Okay.
Benita, Chima, Kelvin, and Andrew. About 4 of them.
Awesome.
Yeah. Why don't you have a chef in this big house?
We've never really needed any. I mean, it's just my wife and I, then my mother, and sometimes.
Now that I am here, I think you should get one for yourself.
Okay. Just you need a minute.
Oh, that's fine. I'll be here waiting.
Yeah.
Oh, kitchen. Who's been cooking for them? His mother? Better get one for yourself. This wine doesn't even taste good as I thought.
A man's age does not make him grow, but how he handles things. How he handles things.
Something strange though. I was having a conversation with Fanta and she made mention that she doesn't go to the kitchen. She doesn't cook at all. So I'm just wondering, if she doesn't cook and I don't eat outside, how is this going to work?
That is not a problem.
No,
listen,
Mom.
listen to me.
Okay.
Women, we like to show off. When the tips are down, she will cook for you.
Oh no, Mom. She doesn't sound like she's joking about it. It was serious for her.
I'm telling you, it's not a problem. We like to make shakara. You know how it is now. You just met. Don't worry about that.
Oh, but Mom, the problem now is that I actually want to eat. I'm hungry and
It's not a problem. I'll go fix you something. What do you want?
You will cook?
Why not? Haven't I been cooking for you?
Oh, Mom, you've been cooking, but that's a long time ago. So you want to
make you something, don't worry.
Oh, okay, Mom.
Every woman cooks. So what are we?
Mom, you're going to the kitchen.
Yes, I am. What is it you want?
Well, anything.
You better say what you want now.
No, Mom, I'm serious. Anything you give to me, I'm fine.
Let's see if we can make anything.
Mom, what is wrong? What is happening?
I'm lost.
Oh no, you don't need to be lost. I was just thinking, You said a woman is supposed to take care of her husband and the house, right?
Mm-hmm.
Good. And then somehow Margaret is no longer in the picture. And then you brought in a lady in the capacity of a wife. And she does nothing. And suddenly it is okay for you to take up some house chores, do them yourself. And also, you are thinking of hiring a chef. What changed?
Okay.
Mom, did you see that noodles? Did you see how rich and garnished it is? Does it look like something one should be ashamed of?
I'm sorry. You want to know what has changed?
Yes, exactly. I
you want to know what's going on?
I want to know.
Class. You do not expect me to hire a chef for that thing you picked up from the batter.
Really?
And you do not expect that very beautiful girl, raised in affluence, that can get anything she wants at the tip of her fingers, to come and start doing chores for you.
Mom. Really?
Really.
Wow.
Wow.
Mom, just wow.
A man's age does not make him grow, but how he handles things, A man must be defined by his priorities, not by his desires. 'Cause a real man make his wife feel like a priority. 'Cause a real man make his wife feel like a priority and not an option. She's not an option. She's not an option.
Thomas, your food is ready.
I'm coming.
Okay.
Not an option. She's an angel. She's not an option. Say to you, my God. Not an option. She's your priority. She's not an option. You take her love for granted. You go there. You take this love for granted. You must pay. 'Cause the vacuum where she covered, nobody can cover it. Oh, you see this vacuum. Hey, where she cover, nobody can cover it all for you.
That is my food you are eating. Hmm? Yeah. Wow. So someone can actually stoop solo to eat my food. Just wow. And he even emptied the pot. This is crazy.
Babe, what's wrong?
Nothing. I'm fine.
No, something is bothering you. What is it?
Honestly, nothing. I'm cool, actually.
So why are you not touching me? Am I unattractive? Or you don't like me?
Why would you say such a thing? You are the most beautiful woman I have ever seen. And there's no man that can reject you. Never.
So why are you not touching me?
I'm just thinking maybe it is not time yet. No, seeing that we're not married legally. Married at all, actually.
Fine. So, I would like you to give me a head. Yes, a head.
Wait. Sorry. What exactly is head? So that we'll be on same page. I mean, I don't understand what you're asking.
Where have you been living? Under a cave? A head. I mean, it makes me climax and, get orgasms over and over again. So
Okay.
let's start.
No, I still don't understand what you're talking about. What is exactly are you talking about?
Head, Tom. Head.
Oh, yeah. Okay, like the safely things, yeah. That's what you're saying, yeah.
Exactly.
Oh, okay. Sorry. Just trying to clear my head to it.
It's 4 o'clock already. Oh my God, not again. Not again today. My God.
The woman you gave appointment the other time, she's here already.
Oh, listen, Julie. I have closed for the day. I am going back home to make dinner for my husband. Tell anybody looking for me that I'm not available anymore.
Okay, ma'am.
For today, I'm shut down.
Okay, ma'am.
Please, help me pack up my stuff and meet me up in the car. Hurry up.
Okay, ma'am.
Hurry up. Oh my God.
Hey, sugar.
Hi, babe. You're back.
Yeah.
Welcome. So, how was work?
Fine, and yours?
Hectic as usual, but I'm fine.
So, what is my beautiful wife preparing?
Well, isn't that supposed to be my little secret? Don't worry, you will love it.
Sure, I will. As long as it's coming from you.
Thank you.
Alright, babe. I'll be upstairs.
Alright, babe.
See you.
See you then. Later.
See you, babe.
Soon.
A man's age does not make him grow, but how he handles things, how he handles things. A man must be defined by his priorities, not by his desires.
Well, what are you doing? What is going on here? Why are you doing that?
I'm sweeping.
Why?
Why not?
You cannot be sweeping when I have a wife to be in my house. No, now it's not right.
You have a wife, not a wife to be. You hear me?
No, this is not fair. This is not.
Don't worry about it. I can do this. I already spoke to my agent. By this evening, he's bringing the chef and a steward. And all this will be over.
I know.
But let me just clean this place a little bit.
Mom, I know all of that. But that doesn't mean you should be doing this. That doesn't mean you should be doing all the chores. It's not right.
I said I'm fine doing it. It's okay, don't worry.
You know, when Margaret was my wife, she does all the house chores and there was no need for...
I'm not complaining. Ejimaka Gaza. Eh? Don't come and tell me anything about some stupid Margaret now. Cigarette. Pick up with that. Trash.
You take her love for granted. You go pay. You take this love for granted. You must pay. Cause the vacuum will cover.
You're still in bed?
Is that a problem?
Aren't you supposed to sweep?
Excuse me? Sweep where exactly? Because as far as I'm concerned, my room is swept.
I'm not talking about this room. I'm talking about the entire house.
Really?
Why would you be sitting down here and my mother is doing all the house chores and sweeping everywhere? Does that make sense to you?
Of course it doesn't make sense to me. You want me to sweep the entire house? As what? Your wife? Your maid? Or somebody you kept here to take care of everything for you? No. Go on. Or don't you know where your wife is? Do I look like your wife? I don't think so.
Babe. Good morning.
Good morning.
Come to bed. I need one more round. I love morning sex a lot. That's my best time to have sex. In the mornings. Oh, come baby, please.
One more round?
One more round.
After everything you put me through last night in the name of trying to satisfy you, you still need one more round.
Babe, I am your wife. And it is your duty as my husband to satisfy me.
Okay, accepted. It is my duty to satisfy you. So what is your duty as my wife? You heard me. What exactly is your duty? Because you are here lying in bed while my mother is out there cleaning, doing all the dishes. So what exactly is this supposed to be?
Hey, just hold it there. Slow down, Thomas. Wait a second, Thomas. You mean you brought me into this house to do your house chores? Now listen to me. I was told that you needed a wife and not a maid. If you need a maid, go get one yourself. What is your problem? I am going to report this to your mother.
What do you mean, what is my problem? Who is talking about a maid thing here?
I am not your maid, Thomas!
Who says anything about being a maid? As a wife, you're supposed to do something, clean after yourself, do some house chores. What does being a wife mean to you?
This is not why I came here. This is not why I came here. I am going to report this to your mother. Mommy! Mommy! Mommy!
What is this? Oh, I don't blame you. I blame myself for all this rubbish. You don't want to do anything in this house. You just want to spend money and lie lazy about.
A man's age does not make him grow.
Alright, so take care of yourself too. And please drive carefully, okay?
No problem.
Philip, open the gates properly for me. Are you deaf? Open the gates.
Where are you coming from? Where are you coming from? I am talking to you, don't walk out on me. Where are you coming from?
What right do you have to ask me that question? Who? Wait a minute. My father? Who the hell are you again?
As long as you remain in this house, I have the right to know your whereabouts. What do you mean, what right do I have? And who is that lunatic that dropped you off by this time of the night? Is something wrong with him?
Well, if you must know, the lunatic is my boyfriend. Deal with it. And listen, I am in this house because of your selfish political condition. You don't have any right to ask me where I went to. I am going to call him back to come take me back to where I am coming from. Since you won't have me, don't touch my bag.
Don't call. Don't call.